Within Plannr, you can log wrap plans and any associated child plans. To do this, go to the Plans tab and select Add New Plan. Go through the usual steps, adding in plan details like the plan type, subtype and provider. At the bottom of this first page, you'll see the question, is this a wrap product? We'll select Yes here and continue entering in the details. Once that's saved, it's time to add our child plans. We'll go through creating a new plan again, but this time we'll select Yes to the question, is this plan held within a wrap? We then have the chance to select which wrap it's held within, so I'll select the plan that we just made. Once that plan has been saved, we can go to the associated client that this was saved against to see our full wrapper. Clicking into plans, we can see that the wrap product is displayed slightly differently to the other plans, showing the child plans underneath. The value of the wrap is the sum of all the child plans, as the wrapper doesn't have a value itself. If you're using one of our provider data feeds, the wrapper will not receive valuations, only the child plans. Clicking into it here, we'll go into Details and select Wrap Details. Here we can see all of the existing child plans, as well as the option to link another plan to this wrapper. Clicking into any of the child plans and going to Wrap Details, we can see that we have the option to change the wrap it's held under if needed. We can easily navigate back to the wrapper at any time by selecting the link at the top of the record.